up, Central Summerlin? My name is Emily.
And my name's Heaven.
And we are so excited to be coming at you from our Hope for the City food pantry at Wynn Elementary School.
Yeah, we're serving over 500 households today. We're just being able to be hands-on. We're being able to be the church. We're here as a community together. It's so awesome.
It is so awesome. And hey, we thought we would introduce you to one of our amazing volunteers. Her name is Kim. Give it up big for Kim.
Yeah, let's give it up for Kim.
Now, Kim, we want to know, what has been your favorite part about serving each and every week?
Coming out and being able to make a difference in the community and see the enlightenment on people's faces when they know that they're going to be okay for the next week with food.
Yeah, that's awesome. How has serving our city affected you personally?
You know, it's given me the opportunity to give back to the city that's given to me over the last 33 years that I've lived here, and it feels good to be a part of the community and each week at the church and at the food pantry each week. So it's been really, really good to be a greeter and to come out here and help get the food together.
Well, that is awesome. Let's give it up big for Kim right now.
Yeah, thank
She's
you so
awesome.
much, Kim.
She serves week in and week out here, and we are so grateful for her and so many volunteers like her. Now, you're probably wondering, how can you jump in and be a part of everything that's happening? Well, there's a few ways you can do that. We have food pantries all across our Las Vegas Valley each and every week. So if you want to serve and sign up for that, or if you want to give, you guys can go to hopeforthecity.tv to do that. And maybe that's not for you. Maybe you're not feeling the food pantries. Well, there's a few other ways you guys can do that, and that is by serving every week at Central Summerlin. We have so many amazing teams. We've got kids, youth, worship, greeting. So if you guys want to do that, you guys can text or call the number down below to sign up for that.
Well, with the uncertainty of everything happening lately, we've been able to launch a 24-hour church. That means we've been able to be the church 24/7. So why don't we look at the amazing impact that the 24-hour church has had on our community?